Hello gorgeous, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and get right into this video and how I use one pack on my relaxed hair. I will be using the crochet method, okay? I use rubber bands to keep my hair kind of nice, sleek, and tight. Not too tight because we are not pulling out edges, okay? I use big blocks because I am a woman of a particular age who does not like to sit in a chair for long hours, and I do my own hair, obviously. I counted between 16 blocks, and this took me about an hour and a half to do. So let's get into how much this hair was. It was $195. It is the bouncy twist hair in T, it looks like 27. This is the pack of hair that I bought a few months ago. I'll be using this tinsel here to apply the hair. For this particular style, I decided not to cut the hair in half in order to get a bob. I just wanted full length long hair. Now, you may be wondering, how in the world did you use one pack of hair when that tube was so small? Well, this is the original thickness of the hair. I split it in half, and that is how I am able to use one pack of hair. Now, my arms are just really sore, and I had just did a workout, I think the day before, so that is why I made that face. Okay, so now I am using the biggest rods that I have, but my suggestion to you will be use small rods, and that way you can achieve like the curly look. Next, you are going to dip your hair into hot water. Just be careful, and then that will be it. And this is the finished product. I really love how this style came out. I will be keeping this in hopefully for the whole month of June, and then I will be doing a relaxer. I will be at least 8 or 9 weeks post relax. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss my relaxer update. In the interim, I will do another relaxed hair video. This will be about like my night routine and morning routine on how I care for my protective styles. If you'd like to see that, I will be doing that video real soon.